Barin jibe lalo be program wala jibe kan bi don kacha mi ala ko ngol kere kere ni Mr Haji Jawara mi mo Gambian Councilor General ti Angola Luanda be Gambia dingol to yalla be Gambia banko to yalla je mo fi ndutri ji banko dingol fana jama ba be lo dingol le je anena ke wala kacha sutunu tala ke ba diba nyolu Alhaji Bakar Fati nyolu wala mala ko ngani wala je sa afale alandul fana ka fukul ko na kacha suto gondanda bak nyinam fana natala sokono mimbe Gambia Sara White House be official natlingal Kairaba Avenue just behind Kairaba Shopping Center will be mala dulaldi Mr Jawran kontanda bake nga understand ko yin isino soto wonon factory mimbe Angola banko kan dam yana ko kay tissue doku ngala sakeno ke odana kana Gambia but fon se hillano ko nyin factory isina Gambia asi Gambia fondin ko le doku soto man tabe ngote
mbadangol ngal be control tawna control la so isino le be mbulu Angola nga fo president fa wayene ka fo ko lefta na isino transfer la ka bo Angola Canadian lefta fana ndara minister of land yekeno dinna mbe prali nga doko ki Gambia ka dungo no place like your home I stayed in Angola about 32 years in Kinshasa for 10 years almost so that is 42 years outside in Gambia
Kinshasa 10 years Angola 32
years so I want to be back to Gambia so leftale nga employees nga di Gambia dingola nga doko ke nga cool melon ko ka cool besona di Gambia dingola ka tinko ni ajube sai be nyi fila for $100
okay
so ni isne baba fala ni facial tissue for the car
okay
ni iba fila $100 $75 so ni isne ben table leftale ngana ti Gambia jang
okay
Gambia dingul be use mba fila cheaper price lela
okay
amma ni di moyeta Dubai
okay
yeta ya import
okay sanden sa sonno be dikol do
no don't worry masino leftale government nga nakatol be nga submit to the minister of land
okay
yemma ko kenola nga mangasina ballo
okay
nga bagasol nati
okay
masino be Angola leftale ngi transfer ngenati ja ngana mangasino lo inshallah fo ala sinde ma doko nyine mo fesa t-shirt
Jawara
masin tan ne bente buluje nyine ba fala ko Jawara samuja munna business enterprise in Angola
okay
but my enterprise in Gambia is Jawara
okay
enterprise
okay
Jawara fesa t-shirt yaje so nyine mo we call this one for the kitchen towel
okay
this is kitchen towel people use for the toilet you know for the kitchen it's very good many faranga fabricate in Angola
okay
so fana mbadi la good price la malla fi molle problem so yacham ni mo basa na ya the good price la bon this also you know the face mask
okay
yaje you know face mask aran ko nugo ba aran ko nugo
okay
yes aran ko nugo yaje so 50 pieces le budget ngadi mbadi la $5 but ni watu mena ni masino bena la kontina be 10,000 boxes manatela jang ka di Gambia dingol la good price la face mask
interesting
yaje so ngani fana fabricate le already abe kontina kona bena la ni masino
okay
so we call this one kitchen towel
okay
this kitchen towel
okay
people use it for the for the sandwich you know kitchen towel
sandwich
at
the restaurants
yes many people like it
okay
so this first quality hani tata America ye message yana totally about bekanje
okay
is quality
okay
so ni fana molete
okay
so ni na handkerchief
okay
for the pocket handkerchief for the pocket people use it when you have for the press call
okay
it's very important also we have the machine we want to bring it here in Gambia okay and this one also we call it toilet paper
okay toilet paper yeah
there's toilet paper many people they use in hotel
yeah
so we give a good price. People go to Dubai and bring it here. We want to make it here in Gambia. We make it made in Gambia.
Sure.
It's very important in Gambia, you know. Sure. And also this one we call Jawara. It's 10 pieces. It's inside a roll.
Jawara diko.
Yeah, it's kitchen towel or no, it's toilet paper also.
Okay.
And this one also, if you see this 10 pieces inside, maybe sometimes you can give $150 or $100 for this one.
For this whole package.
For this whole.
Wow.
Because we want to make cheap our country.
Sure.
We want people to give them employment to the people.
Sure.
You see? Okay. This one, this picture is Orokia picture. You see? You see the pictures here?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
That's hard on that.
Yeah, it is. So this one we call baby wipes.
Okay.
It's first quality.
Baby wiper.
Baby wiper.
Okay.
Baby wiper.
Okay.
It's first quality, very good also.
Okay.
We have the machine. We want to bring it to Gambia to sell it in Gambia. And this also, is first in wiper for the adults.
Okay.
And
it is used for when the hotness, you can take it and clean your face.
Yes.
Or when you want to remove your makeup. Or when you even want to use it to clean your face.
Yes, yeah.
Anytime you feel like.
Sure.
Yeah. So this one also is 4 pieces inside.
Okay.
It's toilet paper. It's very good. So on this one also, we offer this one inside. This one, we offer it to put it inside.
Okay.
So when you want to use it for the toilet and the kitchen, and also is very important.
Okay.
And this one also, we can give you even like this $50.
Okay.
We give cheaper price.
So in case somebody is watching right now, I want to buy these things, what can they get?
No, we want to bring the machine here. The machine is in Angola.
Okay.
I want to bring our 9 machine for diaper and handkerchief and sanitary napkin machine.
Okay.
Always want to bring it here, but I owe the government to try to give me land.
Okay.
I have to build a warehouse and bring my machine here.
So now they've given you a land already?
Yes, I have submitted all the documents to the Ministry of Land.
Okay.
So they promised me very soon, I think they will give me.
How soon do you think that will be?
Yeah. Huh?
How soon can we expect these things?
Maybe I think it's just like 1 month. I think you will give to me because everything I pay for the government case.
Okay.
And also I have submitted for the Minister of Local Government.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for their response.
Okay.
So I hope so. They are very good citizens.
Okay.
Because I know that one. If someone want to invest into the Gambia, as I'm Gambians, I have my right to go to the government, and government should try to give me empty land.
Okay.
Then I can build the warehouses. I can bring my machine. I can employ to the Gambian people.
Yes, you create job
so
for
we create job for the people of the Gambia.
Yeah, sure.
I think that is more important.
Sure.
So that's why I'm urging for the government.
So approximately how many youths do you think you will employ at this place?
I think so. Maybe you can get 50 people or 60 people or 65 people.
Okay.
Because if we have 10 machines,
okay.
each machine need to respond about 10% or 8%.
Okay.
It's very important
Indeed.
to bring this machine to Gambia.
Sure.
We never have this machine in Gambia.
Sure.
So when you bring this machine in Gambia, we make it made in Gambia. It's very important.
Okay.
And make it cheaper for the people.
I
think so.
Are you considering like organizing training for some of these youths that you intend to?
This is very simple.
Okay.
When you get the machine here, so when you brought the machine here, when you fix all the machine, it's very simple to work. It's very important because look at this tissue, all kind of tissue. You will never go to Dubai. You will never go to Senegal. You came to Gambia, people come from Gambia. People buy it and take it to Guinea-Bissau.
Yes.
People buy it and take it to this country, Burkina Faso. Even Sierra Leone people, this machine is very important there because people invite me to go to Sierra Leone. But because I see no place like your home. That's why I want to be back to Gambia and ask the people of the Gambia to help me to get, the government can try to give me empty land.
Sure.
Yes.
Important. We've come to the tail end of this interview.
Yes.
Bedaminto wato bina banna. Akamin kono angale kama wala nyinde nyin mu tissue le sifa jamalu. Bi alon ko ala isino le babulu Angola. Sainteng ani man sakunda be nyom moy kan ye keno diala. Man sakunda la fanna mata man sakunda rengol len keno le ka fo Ministry of Local Government and Lands. Ye keno diala sainteng dam yalon ko masin kononto abe wala bolana Angola ni natije. Ado na lo jang Gambia dingol min staff mo talulu e wol sido ko sotno jere. Ando no kete dorong ni be dabe diala le banko kanjang ba mol ko jamal bo nyum kunna. E ka bonan Dubai ani banko dolu kan abe ko mala baka pour nga factory so banko kanjang min kanyino doku ando ngani man sakunda nyom moy wotole akate mela se kenati karkilin sila fa do ko be damutal.
Yes, nga president kalamuta nga fa ndara Minister of Local Government nga fa ndara fa nga fa director nga fa ben nga nakatol bedundi.
Sure.
The process is going well. Also to be tamaka ne back. So nga memi inshallah nala so ndala de maroto. Ibe ko ben de malale. Katun ko Gambia dingo mi alon ko lafta do ko la banko kan. Inyantele ya maro dema. So keno soto. So Gambia Angola keno dinale. Keno ba bijo ya dina nga investment ke je melon ko beta for $2 million. But malla fi ngatu je lafta la ngata na banko kan.
No place like home.
No place like home. Because when I am in Gambia, no one can call me a foreigner.
Yes, I know.
That's why I said no place like home. Exactly. But when I stay in Angola, sometimes they call me a foreigner.
Foreigner, I know. Exactly. Mkontanda bake jawara baraka bake. Badingolu bafulale drom also subscribe YouTube channel la ñunto nemi video jibe drom isa share pour minima jibe wol fanansa jibe mo be sina faso jal badi malong falilu ML janko senato Mr Haji Jawara be wala sokono Gambia jang Kairaba Avenue kanifing Gambi Sara White House meaning official nyabetel ni nyola albadi ma falilu ML janko nga Jawara tan dubaka nga jayi adimanyol dum ñunulti ngol fanata ndunge jawi bake anala no munyo manga taranu jawata be findila be hadama do bake nara every time kan jiaku kan hadama kan bismillah wala Gambia tim be killing fatam fansita motema be mu killing dal one people one family one people abaraka bake badimul fo sila ko inshallah ala baraka